Alright, so the true nature of reality is, in my opinion, most likely a computer simulation. If you look at Dr. Nick Bostrom's argument for simulated reality, it's a pretty ironclad argument. Look it up. He has a whole website dedicated to it to explain the argument. I'm not going to go over it here, but you can look it up. But if you just look at just consider the fact that in a post-singularity universe, will we run simulations that are real as real life? Yes. We'll run, just like we have millions of video games and millions of simulations right now, we will run simulations after artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence that I believe new life will emerge in, because after the singularity you can get anything you want immediately. It's so hard to explain this when people don't know what the technological singularity is. Okay, well, the technological singularity is when artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence. And at that point, technological progress will occur at a rate so quickly that normal human beings will not be able to keep up. In order to keep up, you'll have to enhance your intelligence by using a brain-computer interface, having some sort of processing chip within your brain in order for you to have, like, the equivalent of a 300-point IQ in order to keep up with the pace of technological progress. Because think of an artificial intelligence. Once it reaches human intelligence, it will be able to improve its intelligence. Let's say it has a 150-point IQ. It'll be able to engage in engineering, computer engineering, in such a way that it'll be able to increase its IQ to the equivalent of 500, and then 10,000, and then a million. So it'll be almost omniscient. Okay, so at that point, we'll be able to feel good at any point. We'll be able to say, if you don't feel well, just increase your serotonin without any issue, increase your dopamine without any issue. You'll be able to feel euphoric at all times by utilizing the chip within your brain to regulate your neurochemicals. So you'll basically be able to feel like, you're on Adderall all the time, something like that. If you ever, use Adderall to feel euphoric and motivated, you basically be able to have that times 1,000 and just feel amazing without ever having to experience depression of any sort. Anytime you feel depressed, just say, please increase my dopamine, please increase my serotonin, please increase my norepinephrine, and then you'll just feel amazing all the time. At that point, human life will be so easy that children born into that world will not have any challenges. So how would you create new life in this post-singular universe where everything's effortless? Well, you just want to have them born into the modern world where they can just have a brain-computer interface where it allows them complete control of their neurochemicals and have an IQ of 500 and basically be able to solve any problem effortlessly and never feel any sorrow, never have any real challenges that are, character developing. You would have them born into a simulation. So we live in a post-singular universe where new life is born in simulation so that you can develop a character. So you can go through challenges, so you can understand what sorrow is, so you can understand what it is to overcome, to live a normal human existence where you actually have to try in order to achieve happiness, in order to achieve success. And then after you finish that simulation, then you can enter the post-singularity